Hi there, guys. I hope you all are fine. Our today's video is about mice. Part 1, Introduction to Mice. Mice, an overview. Mice are small, furry animals that are found all over the world. They belong to the rodent family, which also includes rats, squirrels, and beavers. The most common type of mouse is the house mouse, but there are many different species of mice living in various habitats. Physical features. Mice are known for their small size, which helps them fit into tiny spaces. They usually have round bodies, long tails, and big ears. Their tails are often as long as their bodies and help them balance. Mice have sharp teeth that never stop growing, so they must constantly gnaw on things to keep their teeth from becoming too long. Their fur can be many colors, including brown, gray, and white. Habitat and behavior. Mice are very adaptable creatures. They can live in a variety of environments, such as fields, forests, and even inside homes. In the wild, they build nests in safe, hidden places. These nests are usually made from materials like grass, leaves, and paper. When mice live in homes, they often hide in walls, attics, or under floors. Mice are nocturnal, which means they are most active at night. They have good senses of hearing and smell, which help them find food and avoid predators. Mice eat a wide range of foods, including grains, fruits, and even small insects. They are known for their strong sense of curiosity, which leads them to explore their surroundings. Social structure. Mice are social animals, which means they enjoy the company of other mice. They often live in groups, which help them stay safe from predators. In these groups, mice have a social hierarchy, with dominant mice leading the group. They communicate with each other using sounds, smells, and body language. Reproduction. Mice reproduce quickly. A female mouse can have several litters of babies each year, with each litter containing up to 12 babies. These babies, called pups, are born blind and hairless. They grow quickly and are usually able to eat solid food and explore their environment within a few weeks. Conclusion. Mice are fascinating creatures with unique adaptations that help them survive in many different environments. Their small size, nocturnal habits, and social behaviors make them interesting animals to study. In the next part, we will explore the different species of mice and their specific characteristics. Part 2, Different Species of Mice. Types of Mice. There are many species of mice, each with its own unique traits and habits. While we often think of the common house mouse, several other species play important roles in their ecosystems. Here are a few notable types. 1. House mouse mus musculus. The house mouse is the most familiar mouse to people. It has adapted well to living with humans and is commonly found in homes, farms, and warehouses. House mice are small, usually measuring about 3 to 4 inches 8 to 10 centimeters in body length, with an additional 2 to 4 inches 5 to 10 centimeters for their tails. They have a soft, gray or brown fur and are known for their ability to reproduce quickly. They can live up to 1 to 2 years in the wild, but may live longer in captivity. House mice are known to cause problems by chewing on electrical wires, insulation, and food packaging. 2. Deer mouse Peromyscus maniculatus. The deer mouse is found in North America and is named for its reddish-brown fur and white underbelly, which can resemble the coloring of a deer. This mouse is more common in rural and forested areas. Deer mice are slightly larger than house mice, with a body length of about 4 to 5 inches, 10 to 13 centimeters, and a tail that is often as long as their body. They are known for their ability to jump long distances and climb well. Deer mice are important in the ecosystem because they help control insect populations and are a food source for many predators. 3. Field mouse Apodamus sylvaticus. The field mouse, also known as the wood mouse, is common in Europe and parts of Asia. It has a yellowish-brown fur with a white belly. Field mice are slightly larger than house mice and are often found in fields, meadows, and woodland edges. They build nests in grass and leaves and are known for their burrowing behavior. These mice are active during the day and are excellent at climbing and jumping. They play a role in seed dispersal, which helps plants grow in new areas. 4. Harvest mouse Micromys minitus. The harvest mouse is one of the smallest mice in Europe. It has a distinctive orange-brown fur and a prehensile tail that is very long and helps it grasp onto grass and vegetation. Harvest mice are excellent climbers and are often found in tall grasses and crops. They build round nests in the grass that are woven tightly to keep them secure. Harvest mice are important for controlling insect populations and spreading seeds. 5. African pygmy mouse Musminatoids. The African pygmy mouse is one of the smallest species of mouse in the world. It is found in various parts of Africa, including savannas and open woodlands. These tiny mice measure only about 2 to 3 inches 5 to 8 centimeters in body length and are covered in a soft, light brown fur. Due to their small size, they have a high metabolism and need to eat frequently. They live in nests made of grass and are known for their quick and agile movements. Despite their tiny size, African pygmy mice play a crucial role in their ecosystems by serving as prey for larger animals. 6. Kangaroo rat Dipodomys spp. Although not a true mouse, the kangaroo rat is worth mentioning. Native to North America, it is named for its large hind legs, which are adapted for hopping similar to a kangaroo. Kangaroo rats are well adapted to desert environments where they live in burrows to escape the heat. They have large ears that help them detect predators and a specialized diet that includes seeds and grains. Their burrows can be quite complex, with multiple chambers for storing food and nesting. Conclusion: different species of mice have evolved various adaptations to thrive in their specific environments. From the common house mouse to the tiny African pygmy mouse, each species plays a unique role in its ecosystem. Understanding these different types of mice helps us appreciate their diversity and the important roles they play in nature. In the next part, we will delve into the impact of mice on human life, including their role in scientific research and the challenges they pose. Part 3. The impact of mice on human life. Mice and human health. Mice can affect human health in both positive and negative ways. Understanding these effects is important for managing their presence and benefiting from their role in science. 1. Mice as research models. Mice are incredibly valuable in scientific research. Because they share many similarities with humans in terms of genetics and physiology, scientists use them to study diseases and test new treatments. Mice are used in research for various fields, including genetics. Scientists study how genes work by creating genetically modified mice. These mice help researchers understand genetic disorders and develop potential cures. Cancer research. Mice with specific types of tumors help researchers test new cancer treatments and study how cancer develops and spreads. Neurological studies. Mice are used to study brain function, neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and the effects of new medications on the brain. Drug testing. Before new drugs are tested on humans, they are often tested on mice to evaluate their safety and effectiveness. The use of mice in research has led to many medical advances, including vaccines, treatments for various diseases, and improvements in our understanding of human health. 2. Mice as pests. While mice have many positive attributes, they can also be a nuisance and pose health risks when they invade human spaces. Here's how they impact human life. Property damage. Mice can cause significant damage to homes and businesses. They chew on electrical wires, insulation, and building materials, which can lead to fires and expensive repairs. Food contamination. Mice are known to invade pantries and food storage areas. They can contaminate food with their droppings, urine, and fur, leading to health risks and waste of food. Health risks. Mice can carry diseases that may be transmitted to humans. These diseases include hantavirus, leptospirosis, and salmonella. They can also carry parasites like mites and fleas that may infest homes. 3. Controlling mice infestations. Managing mice infestations is crucial for maintaining a healthy and safe environment. Here are some common methods for controlling mice. Preventive measures, keeping homes clean and sealing entry points can help prevent mice from entering. Mice can squeeze through very small gaps, so it's important to fix any cracks or holes in walls, floors, and foundations. Traps. Different types of traps are available, including snap traps, live traps, and glue traps. Snap traps kill mice quickly and are effective for immediate control. Live traps catch mice alive so they can be released elsewhere, while glue traps are less humane and can cause prolonged suffering. Baits and poison. Rodenticides are chemicals that kill mice. They are effective, but should be used with caution because they can be harmful to pets and children if not used properly. Professional pest control. For severe infestations, hiring a professional pest control service may be necessary. These experts can assess the situation, use advanced methods, and provide long-term solutions. For mice in agriculture. In agriculture, mice can be both beneficial and problematic. Benefits: mice can help control insect populations, which may reduce the need for chemical pesticides. They also contribute to seed dispersal, which helps plants grow in new areas. Problems: mice can damage crops and stored grain. They may chew on plants, causing loss of yield. In stored grain facilities, they can contaminate food with their droppings and urine. Farmers use various strategies to manage mice, including traps, baits, and natural predators like owls and snakes. Proper storage of grain and regular monitoring can also help reduce problems. 5. Cultural and symbolic significance. Mice have cultural and symbolic significance in many societies. In literature and folklore, mice often represent qualities like cleverness, resourcefulness, and adaptability. For example, in stories, characters like Stuart Little from E.B. White's book or the mice from Disney's Cinderella are portrayed as intelligent and endearing. In science fiction, mice are often featured in science fiction as subjects of genetic experiments or as part of futuristic technology. Their portrayal in culture often highlights the positive traits of mice, while sometimes acknowledging their challenges. Conclusion: mice have a complex relationship with humans. On one hand, they are invaluable research tools that contribute to medical advancements. On the other hand, they can be pests that cause damage and health risks. Managing their presence requires a balanced approach that addresses both their beneficial roles and their potential problems. Understanding the impact of mice helps us appreciate their importance in science and address the challenges they present in our daily lives. The end. Thanks a lot for listening.